service in Greece with the Royal Hellenic Air Force as well. This started out as one of the earliest new purpose-designed American light aircraft of the post-war period, and it was very impressive in many ways, with 4 seats, retractable undercarriage, and crucially the pedigree that came from manufacturing by North American Aviation. Performance too was very good for an aircraft that first flew in 1946. A usable load of about 1,000 pounds, a range in excess of 750 miles, and good capabilities in terms of being able to operate from rough or short fields. 1,100 of them were turned out by North American Aviation before Ryan bought the design rights in 1947. They built about 1,240 more, and then various other companies took over manufacturing after that. Light transport and communications duties. One official description called it a flying staff car, which is very apposite, and they were used also in the Korean War between 1950 and 53 for forward air control and casualty evacuation missions. They've been able to fly off the decks of the US Navy aircraft carriers to Europe. They use staff transports with the Commander-in-Chief of US European Command in Germany and the occupying forces there. And when they were retired by regular units, many of them went on to be operated by the National Guard and later the Civil Air Patrol.
Just for a little.
Boats on top of the Atlantic, in fact, and there are a few in civilian hands in Europe. American-built rivals such as some of the Cessnas and This one changed hands only last year, and it was bought by Simon Tilling, who's been a private pilot since 2015. He was British Airways champion 5 years ago, and he's now chief executive of the Light Aircraft Association. notified of some further changes to the flight programme, inevitably due to the wind conditions today. The order of events from now until the end of the display is the Navy Winds Harvard will be next on, then we've got the Lysander, which we've just seen getting airborne, the Provers, which as we mentioned earlier is a late addition to the programme, the Polikarpov Po-2, then a solo display by Spitfire T517. Unfortunately, the wind is out of limits for the Shuttleworth collection on Spitfire today. And then the Royal Air Force Falcons finishing the main show, taking us up to just after 5 o'clock, because we're not able either to see the planned Warbird finale that we added to the programme with the Gladiator, Sea Hurricane, and Spitfire High, due to the conditions. We are still waiting final confirmation of the Lancaster, but as things stand, it remains due just after 10 to 6 for its flight past Route. If there's any further changes to that, we broadcast them this evening.